So we are all about early bar preparation over here at CA Bar Style. We have so many great things going on. We have 2 upcoming start dates, September 8th, which is right around the corner. It's a week from today. And then October 6th as our 2 final start dates for February 26th. So summer is wrapping up. If you haven't started for February, it is time to definitely get started. Book a consult and we'll go over a game plan for you. When it comes to the workshops that we have coming up, there are 5. They start September 10th. The first one will be the IRAC and bar exam writing essay workshop. On the 10th, on the 25th of September will be the PT workshop, and I've made videos highlighting these, so I'll repost them soon. And today I'm going to talk about the MBE strategy workshop. So this workshop is going to go over your preliminary data collection for multiple choice work in the early months. What is your strategy for a multiple choice question? How do you know which nuance they are testing and what's the best way to attack that and the calls of question, as well as what a tracking system looks like to attack the areas, especially the frequently tested ones that are low and are not budging. So I'm going to be going through a thorough MBE workshop. MBE is 50% of your score. These workshops are going to be amazing. They're going to build your fundamental skills so that by the time you go into the 2.5-month course, you are ready to go. Your skills on writing and analysis, persuasive objective writing, again, multiple choice approach, timing, memorization skills, IRACing, issue spotting is intact and has been worked on so that you've laid a foundation before you get into a heavy practice and memorization phase and simulated testing. So I would love to have you. The spots are filling up quickly. I'm going to be highlighting the rest of the workshops the rest of this week, why it's so important to start early, what are the benefits, and you will not talk to a California bar exam applicant that will not say 2 months for a lot of them is just too little time. So give yourself time, give yourself a head start, book a consult at the link in the bio, or there's information below in the caption. And I would love to talk to you, get to know you, and walk you through your early bar prep plan. For everyone that has already enrolled, I'm very excited to guide you. Right now may feel a little bit independent as we're getting into the swing of things, getting out of the summer, and then things will start ramping up. The workshops are also available to July 2026 applicants, and there will be a link going out later this week for those that just want the workshops, don't want to come into a whole program. Maybe they'll do that later, but at least want to get the head start on the fundamentals. Have a beautiful evening, everyone, and I'll be back with more later this week. Bye.